Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good evening, guys and person. To our assistant lecturer for the introduction to big data course, and to our laboratory assistant. My name is Ifades Kasmi with student ID 2024-32057 from Information System Class B at Institute Teknologi PLN. In this video presentation, I will explain in detail the process and workflow of the Python program that I developed in Jupyter Notebook to fulfill the requirements of practical work assessment 4. This program is designed to perform automate and dynamic web scraping on a public API that analyzes population system. Let us dive into the execution of the program based on four primary course stakes. The first stake in the program, intelligent and library import stack. The first stake in the program is the intelligent and library import. In the opening lines of the code, the program imports two primary libraries that are crucial within the Python-based data engineering ecosystem, Request and Pandas. This Request library is an instrument for handling HTTP protocol communication. Its main responsibility is to send requests to the target domain JSON server and capture the return response document. The Pandas library import with the alias PD is utilized for data manipulation, structuring, and transforming semi-structured data into a tabular representation. Furthermore, during this stake, the program intelligent and employee list name all product. This list serves as a central temporary repository to collect all the product data extract across multiple packs before final exploitation. 2. Load control logic and dynamic pagination mechanism. Moving on, the second stake, which involves the logo control logic and dynamic pagination machine. The automation of page loading is managed using a loop instruction for page in ranks 1 and 11. This loop is a condition to execute for exactly 10 sequential iteration to response page 1 to page 10. The primary challenge here is adapting to the target API URL parameters, dummy JSON, and the point uses a combination of the limit parameter, the amount of data per page, and the skip parameter, the number of the data row to be passed by the bypass per page and the skip. The program dimensionally calculates the value of the skip data parameter using the mathematical formula. Took this formula when the program is on a page 1, the skip value evolution to 0 on page 2, the skip value shift to 10, and it progress continuously until it reaches page 10 with a skip value of 19. These variable value are then inserted into the target URL string using Python fstring feature to contract a dynamic API endpoint address. 3. JSON payload extraction and error handling. The third stack focuses on JSON payload extraction and error handling. Every time a dynamic URL is successful generated inside the loop, the coming request get URL API is executed to fetch data from the abstraction server. To safeguard the integrity of data pipeline, the program performs an eliminated conditional check via the parameter if response status code 200 to ensure the server return successful response status. If the connection is successful, the raw response detects is converted into a Python dictionary object using the JSON method. Next, the program isolates the main array connecting the list of combination using the getProducts method. To anticipate structural anomalies or network drop, a multi-layered protection mechanism is implemented using the if not daftar product break integration alongside on alias break blocks. The server has an automated stopping condition if the server suddenly returns empty data or if the network discussion mid process the loop terminus immediately preventing the script from freezing or crashing. 4. Data processing and saving to CSV format. The final step enters data permission or data processing along with definition into a CSV file formats. Once the product list on the current pack is successfully scored, the program initiates an internal nested loop using in the command from item in daftar product to break down its product object generally. During this process, selective attribute fitting the tag page, the program accesses only the key parameters required from the API, such as ID, title, category, price, and rating. These attributes are rendered into uniform Indonesian column headers, namely ID product, name product, category, harga, and rating score. Okay, the conclude my comprehensive explanation regarding the program workflow for vertical assignment 4 optimization to big data. I apologize for any setting missed word during the presentation. Thank you very much your time and attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys.